Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode of RTHD, we're going to test out Copilot in a little bit more detail, and maybe we could determine whether this is worth our time, at least right now, or not, in terms of the features that it has. And this is not going to be an extensive video. I'm just going to show you guys some of the things that I think it could do, and some of the things that it may not be able to do, some of the things that it will do. All right, so with that being said, let's just head over to Copilot. To be able to open up Copilot, there's two ways of doing this. You can click on this Copilot icon here at the bottom left next to the start icon, and it opens it up. Or you can also, if we close it off, I can actually open it up by pressing the Windows key plus C, right? And that opens it up, and it also closes it if I want. So that's kind of nice. But one of the things that I couldn't do was I couldn't trigger the use microphone with the keyboard shortcut, which I think is a really important thing that is missing. So I have to actually click here in order to speak to Copilot. So to begin, firstly, one of the things that I tried to do was to have like Chrome open and see if it would summarize something. So like Wikipedia maybe, you know, like a celebrity of some sort. Let's go with celebrities. Right, so we have a list of celebrities. And one of the things I wanted to try to do was to see whether this could somehow summarize this. So let's find something more particular, more specific. Yeah, okay, so let's try this out and see if this works. Okay, so hey Copilot, can you summarize this Chrome window? Now notice how long it takes. It takes a little bit of time. And sometimes it speaks.
Searching for Chrome window. Hello, this is Bing. I can summarize this Chrome window for you. This window shows the web search results for the query Chrome window using Google Chrome, a fast and secure web browser from.
Okay, so I don't want you to go through all that, but as you can see, this doesn't really, this isn't able to integrate with Chrome. It just did something randomly, which is it thought that I asked it to summarize quote-unquote Chrome window, not the actual Chrome window that is here. So what I realized is that it does not work at all with third-party apps. It will likely only work with Edge. Okay, so let me open up Edge and have Edge open, and we'll see how, you know, what it's able to do. So hey Copilot, can you open Wikipedia on my Edge browser?
Searching for Wikipedia. Sure, I can open Wikipedia on your Edge browser. I have presented a dialog box to you to confirm if you want to open the Wikipedia website. If you choose yes, I will open the website for you. You can interact with the
Okay, so as you can see, you could open an app. Sure, you would like me to open Edge app. This was before it actually did the answer, and I already have Edge app open, right? So we're moving down here, and I can actually click yes, please open Wikipedia. Let's see if that appears on this screen. So it said that it did open Wikipedia on my Edge browser, which it did not. And I don't have any other Edge browsers open. So as you can see already, off the top of what we're seeing here is that it's not doing what we hopefully want it to be able to do. Now, don't get me wrong, these are things that are integrated into the applications of the operating system. However, what Copilot seems to be is basically Bing Chat. So if you were in a position where you needed to research something, you could ask it to research something. So let's see, for example, let's try back something that, you know, is more context related to just being able to answer something here on the system itself. So hey Copilot, what are the top 10 celebrities of the world? Notice it did not translate correctly here.
Searching for top 10 celebrities of the world.
What I do like is it actually speaks.
Hello, this is Bing. I can help you find out the top 10 celebrities of the world. There are different ways to measure the popularity and influence of celebrities, such as their earnings,
It's gonna read back
awards,
all of this
social
stuff,
media
right? So I'm not gonna
followers,
show you guys
media
all this,
appearances.
but, you know, basically what it will do is it will answer things, it'll query things from Bing, it'll bring it back, and maybe it'll, you know, give out some information. But as you can see, it just continues to go along. So I'm going to tell it to stop responding. It's going through all of these celebrities that are here. Let me ask it something more AI related. For example, maybe what is the best thing that we should probably eat in life? So let me try that one. Hey, Copilot, what is the best thing that we should eat to prolong our life?
Searching for best thing to eat to prolong life. Hello, this is Bing. I can help you find out the best thing that you should eat to prolong your life. According to some of the web search results I found, there are many foods that can help you live longer and healthier, but some of the most common and effective ones are fruits and vegetables. They are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals,
seeds,
and
legumes, whole grains. So it does give some information. Maybe not, you know, it doesn't really give like dramatic information or super insightful information all of the time. But it's good for like researching and like, you know, if you're doing your stuff, let's say you're doing a Word document, you put in an information and you wanted to quickly research something, you could do that with it. But in terms of integration with the apps, right now it's not so impressive. But I know that it could, for example, generate photos using AI. So let me see if I could ask it to do that. Hey Copilot, can you generate a photo of a dog at the beach?
I'll try to create that.
And I think this is probably related to DAL-E. If we could, it's going to do this. Yeah, so it's in creating a realistic model of it's generating. It's just giving us an idea what we could do. And here you go. So we got a decent enough photo here. Well generated, I would say. Looks nice and HDR looking, very crisp and clean. So it can do certain things, but like, let me show you something that I thought it might have been able to do. I was hoping that it might have been able to do, but I think this overlaps with the fact that this Copilot is the Windows Copilot, and then there's a separate Office 365 Copilot that is probably not released as yet, and that does more of the powerful Office generation stuff. But I thought maybe it would work. But let me show you what I mean. So for example, if I open up Excel here, I already have this information here, and I want to try. I try to tell it to maybe create a chart or summarize this information. So let me try that. Hey Copilot, can you summarize the information in my Excel application?
Searching for how to summarize data in Excel.
So it's just basically
Sure,
a search
I can
engine at this point in time. It barely does anything that is useful for me. Let's see. I know there was something about a snipping tool. Let me see if it could. Oh, I know that it should be able to take a screenshot. Let's ask it to take a screenshot. Hey Copilot, can you take a screenshot of this window? So you see it said it's going to start the snipping tool, and it started the snipping tool, but I guess I have to take the screenshot. So, oh, okay, yeah. So I had to click on it, add copy. Yeah, so so I clicked on the window that I wanted. Let's try that back again. Hey Copilot, can you take a screenshot? So it opened back up the snipping tool again, and you move your mouse between the
Hello,
windows.
this is Bing.
That are
I can
available.
help you take a screenshot of this window.
So
I have attempted to
I took a
open the
screenshot
snipping
here.
tool for you with a delay of 3 seconds. You can use it to capture any part of your screen and
Yeah, so it took in the first case, it took a screenshot of just the it was there before, but I guess it moved it away. It took a screenshot of just the preview window here, and now it's taken a screenshot of the Excel sheet here. Will I be really using this? I don't think, like right now in this current state that it is in, it's really super useful other than just switching up stuff very quickly, unless I have the ability to use my keyboard to call on Bing and speak to it directly using a keyboard shortcut. I would still have to, I'll be doing my work and then I'll still have to like move my mouse over to the microphone, click on the microphone, speak to it, and then it's going to return this information. It's also going to speak this information, and some of this information obviously I wouldn't want, and so I'm going to have to stop it. So I'm going to have to move my mouse from wherever I am and back to the stop button before it works. So this is right now just a glorified Bing search as far as I can see it, but I'm hoping that Microsoft is going to make this a little bit more better. They have the potential to make this thing super awesome, and hopefully not for $30 US a month, which is the price that they want to charge Office users to be able to integrate it with Office. I think that's a bit too much. Like I mean, right now I'm an Office 365 user, a paid user, and I will not pay $30 US per month just for creating graphs. I can do graphs myself, unless it has something super amazing. But with that being said, I know that the Copilot for Office 365 is supposed to be able to summarize your emails and be able to respond to emails. But actually that now brings me to one more thing that I want to test, which is, let's say that we were in Wikipedia, we looked for the top celebrities, right? And let's say we just this topic, let's see if we could summarize this. So you see, like when I highlighted this information, it said send selected or copied text to chat. Why would I want to copy this exactly to chat? I don't think I would want to copy this. Why would I? So instead, I'd like to, can you summarize what I have copied to clipboard? Let's see if it's smart enough to read the clipboard and summarize it. And it didn't. So everything was pretty much just searching and answering questions, and this will be fine for a newbie. This will not be fine for me as well. But I'm gonna let me copy and paste this in. Maybe it's contextually, it doesn't understand this thing contextually. See, it's gonna try to respond. So it seemed to have read it and thought that I wanted its opinion on it. Do you have any other thoughts? So I'm just going to say, can you summarize what I just said? Let's see if it'll summarize this part here. And so yeah, so I guess you can, put in information here, get a summary or brief summary, that kind of thing there. But that's pretty much all that you will be able to do at this point in time. Sorry if this video was boring. I'm just showing you guys what I came across with Copilot preview, and there's not really that much options you can do except allow Copilot to use your Microsoft Edge content. That's it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully this get better, which means that this video will hopefully become obsolete at some point in time. At that point in time, please don't dislike my video just because it becomes obsolete. It didn't mean that it wasn't at the point in time created for that point in time. But that being said, thank you so much for viewing, and I hope to see you again on another episode of RTHD coming to a YouTube screen near you. Take care. Bye-bye.